Most students don't fail because they're not intelligent.
They fail because of these common mistakes.
If you're a student and you keep failing, this might be why. Hi everyone, my name is Rosemary and with me here is
Divide Stephanie.
Today we are having a real conversation about why most students fail.
So number one point is procrastination. Honestly, procrastination. Students always say I'll read later.
And later never comes.
Exactly. Then exam comes and they start panicking.
And everything just piles up.
Yeah.
So what could be the solution to that?
Okay, what helped me was starting small. Even if it's just 20 to 30 minutes every day, it will be a lot more. And you don't have to pile everything up during exam since you already have basic knowledge about it since you started early.
So consistency is better than motivation. As a student, you don't need to wait for motivation. You can actually start now. Start early. Number 2 is no study plan.
Yes, some students just read anything at any time, and honestly, that's not really a procedure. For you to achieve academic success and for you to achieve your academic goal, you must have a scheduled time and a daily plan. That is like a timetable, something that can help you differentiate your leisure time from your study time. It actually gives you a direction and you know what to focus on at a particular time. It's just like managing your time. It's very, very helpful.
Number 3 is passive reading.
Yes, some students read without testing themselves.
Yes, they feel busy but they're not improving.
Yeah, for example, like reading a whole course without practicing, without testing yourself. Yes, like there's no way that will work. There's no way you can learn when you just read and you don't test yourself, you don't test how far you've gone. Another thing that can help is also reading with your classmates. Yeah, because you can share ideas, and once you share ideas, you can learn a lot from them, and it can also help you improve a lot.
And also you can teach your colleague or your classmates. Maybe they come to you and be like, they are not understanding this particular course. You can explain to them because the more you explain, the more it sticks with your brain.
Yes. Also, past questions are also the key. Yes, once you read past questions, read what others have done, you can be able to have a broader understanding about what you are studying.
Yes, and it will help you to know how to boost your score.
The fourth point is bad mindset.
Exactly. Mindset plays a major role.
Like a really big role. Some students already believe that they will fail.
And that affects how they study. Growth mindset brings us to 2 types of mindset we have. Number 1 is growth mindset, the second one is fixed mindset. Fixed mindset is the belief that your abilities or your intelligence is inborn. So having a fixed mindset as a student is not good because when you believe that this course is hard, there's no way you will learn it.
Yes. Yeah.
So you keep on believing that it's hard, so there's no need for me to study, there's no need for me to improve this and that. So while a growth mindset is a belief that your intelligence or your abilities they can be obtained through effort, through learning.
So the solution for this is thinking positively. Students should stop telling themselves that I will fail because of this course is too hard or because they feel like they cannot do it. The more you think positively, the more you are bound to get a positive result.
Number 5 is distraction or phone usage.
Yes, distraction and phone, they are like a very, very major cause of why students fail. So students use their phone almost every time during class when they're meant to read, when it's time for them to focus, they use their phone. And sometimes they'll just pick it up, let me just watch one video just for 5 minutes, and the next thing you know, they have stayed on their phone for at least an hour.
Yes, and that actually affects them because when you start pressing your phone while reading, it will actually shift your focus. And by the time after pressing your phone and you come back to your studies again, it will take time for you to reconnect back to your book. So it is good as a student to keep your phones away while reading. It's advisable and it will help you to maintain focus.
If you want to use your phone at any time, it's just best if you complete your task. When you are done reading, you can use your phone at any time you want. You can use your phone for how long you want to. Just make sure that you are done reading. Make sure that you have done what you have to do, and it's your leisure time, so you can now use your phone.
Exactly.
Leave a comment on whatever problem you mentioned that you're struggling with.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
And also turn on your notifications so that you get notified whenever we post a new video.
Thank you.
Bye bye.